Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So in the deeper studies of the Quran today I'm going to do Surah Yasin ayat number 37 and 38. So let's get started. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Ayat number 37 is wa ayatul lahumul laylu naslakhu minhu nahara fa izahum muslimun. Let's look at the translation first. This is also there is also a sign for them in the night. We strip from it the daylight, and then behold, they are in darkness. So night and day, misguidance and guidance. Every day we see the changing of the night and day. There is a sign for us in it. Night is compared to spiritually to misguidance and darkness, and these disbelievers were in complete darkness of the night. And we know that for so many years after Prophet Ismail alayhi salam, no messenger had come to them, so they were in complete darkness. Then Allah stripped away that night and gave them light, and he sent his messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his word, the Quran, and it was a source of daylight and guidance for them. Yet most of these people, aksaruhum, these people, they became arrogant and they chose to stay um, and they chose to stay in the darkness of misguidance. So now they will not come out of it. You know, in the when the surah started, we saw that inna jalna fi anakim aghlalan fahiya ila laskani fahum. So in their necks there are those collars that have been placed, so they are not able to see that. And these collars have been placed because they saw the light, they understood that it was the truth, and then they just decided not to follow it. وَجَعَلْنَا مِن بَيْنِ أَيْدِيهِمْ سَدًّا وَمِنْ خَلْفِهِمْ سَدًّا فَأَغْشَيْنَاهُمْ فَهُمْ لَا يُبْصِرُونَ. And there is a wall in front of them and behind them, so they are not able to see now. So and this wall was not dropped just like that. It was dropped after they decided not to follow, not to listen to the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, even when they knew that whatever he was saying was the truth. Then ayat number 38 is Washamsu tajri limustaqarrin laha zalika taqdirul azizil alim. It means that the sun travels for a fixed term, and that is a design of Almighty, all-knowing. And we know that previously it was said that the sun does not move, and now we see in the Quran so many years ago that Allah has said that sun travels. So this is just a side note. And then Allah has decreed for the sun to travel on a path for a fixed period of time. That is the plan of all-knowing. That is the plan of Al-Alim. And after that time will be over, the judgment day that will come, and the sun will stop. The Prophet ﷺ is compared to the sun elsewhere in the Quran, where he is called Sirajum Munira. He is the one from whom the light of the guidance is coming out for us, for all of us to follow. And Prophet ﷺ will remain among the people for a fixed period of time, just like the sun. It has a fixed term, a fixed period of time for which it's going to move on its path. Just like that, Prophet ﷺ will also remain among the people. He will not remain among them forever, but will remain for a fixed period of time. That is decreed by Allah Almighty and all-knowing. So benefit from him as much as possible. So these were the ayahs for today. Inshallah tomorrow I will continue further. Fi amanillah.